The fourth thing to do is Payroll Essentials. Before issuing Form W-2, double-check all employee information. Penalties can be imposed if a name or social security number is missing or incorrect. Check to see if all of the year's paychecks have been recorded. Make careful to include all commissions and bonus payments. When it comes to bonus payouts, preparation is key. Prior to the check date, the lead time will ensure timely delivery and the opportunity to assess the accuracy of the checks. Keep in mind that a bonus will almost always push an employee's compensation into a higher tax bracket for that pay period. Before you run the bonus paycheck, think about the tax consequences for the employee on a local, state, and federal level.